Hello friends, hi, hope you all are doing good. As you all may be aware that the income tax department was supposed to launch a new e-filing website on 7th of June on Monday, for which the income tax web portal is closed to for around 14 days. While I wanted to shoot this particular video today for taking you through the features of the new income tax web portal, the shape and form in which it is, it's not possible for me to do so. However, if you'll see since last couple of weeks, there has been a lot of humor around it. So I just thought to prepare a video to bring to your attention some of the humorous stuff which has been currently going on this new web portal. So I hope that you will like this particular video. And now I'll just go to some of the tweets as well as some of the significant writings which have been done, which I found to be a bit humorous on the social media. I hope you will like this video. Do share me your thoughts on this. And as soon as the web portal becomes operational from filing perspective, I will show you some of the features and including file how the way and manner of filing few of the forms. So enjoy the coming part, a bit humorous part. Hello friends. So coming on the humor part, the all the things started on Monday when we were unable to start the income tax web portal and faced issues even to log in on the portal. So on that day, considering the lot of tweets that people had done, so Nirmala Sitharaman tweeted Infosys as well as to Mr. Nandan Nilekani saying about the issues that are being faced, and and this Mr. Gentleman expressed that he would very soon resolve this issue, and the same is expected to be closed within a week's time. However, the however the humorous exercise continues, and you can see that people, the Infosys guys who actually wanted to secure their job after continuous blunder on GST portal, MCA web portal, bring to the servers for a goodwill gesture from them. So again, as you all know that tax offices as well as Infosys was all working from home. So this is a clear-cut example when you code the software using Netflix. Then uh, the space in which the website goes is that this Dhamal movie dialogue, "Kitno slow che tu," and this is what the PM would have said. ऐसा संकट ना कभी देखा है और ना कभी सुना है. And and obviously the tax office or the tax department's website is compared to IRCTC as well as Covin app, which are again a clear-cut example of what blunder could be. But this blunder is again only after your GST ka website. So this is the GST part 2 ka launch. Income tax website is as bad as GST's website, or the launch is as bad as GST's website. And if now government wants to bring or bombard the people with COVID-19 third wave, it is like that. So again, while we are waiting for a new website on Monday, people were like, अब तक तो पहुंच जाना चाहिए था, अभी तक क्यों नहीं आया? And this income tax portal again reminds me on a personal front, like whenever I want to transform my life, it always get delayed. And again a question, seeing that there has been a lot of blunders from Infosys in terms of project delivery. This sort of humor is more on Infosys rather than on the tax office. So a question is that do they only have this half-hearted products to the FM? Have they taken FM for granted? Here there is one thing which I wanted to clarify, not on a humor side but on a clarification side. As we all know that there is a lot of media report as well as misunderstanding or tweets on ground which is that this website actually costs 4 crores rupees. But this is not actually true. So in 2019 there was this tender floated which I believe by the CBDT for revamping of the website. And the critical thing over here is that CBDT wanted to reduce the processing time of the income tax return from the existing 63 days to 1 day, and also expedite the processing of the refund. So it's actually a process which is being taking place, and there's a lot of IT infrastructure investment which has been done on this investment in the process. Besides, there are a lot of faceless assessment scheme, faceless appeal scheme, online IT filing. So there's a very big project, and this 4242 crores actually is the investment on the entire IT project of the government of India. and that is this website is only a part and parcel of it. So it's just an interface point and not the entire 4 to crores. So it is not that a huge amount has gone on this website. A lot of change are currently visible and are going to be visible in the long run, that would be appearing as a part of this 4 to 4 crores expenditure. And if today, if somebody goes to a CA office to value Infosys, nobody is going to give them goodwill valuation. So this is what one believes. But having said that, I believe that around 4 to 5% is the stock price increase which took place of Infosys in this last week. And this is what everybody is doing in afternoon. 2 मिनट सो जाता हूँ, बहुत काम कर दिया. So this is even what the income tax website on just after 2 minutes of its launching. मस्त थोड़ी देर सो जाता हूँ. Uh, and it actually even the way if somebody is working on the portal, it would believe that it actually helps in increasing patience. So you keep trying to log in, and you are unable to log in. It actually increases your patience level, and this is what people were like when they were waiting for the new website to be launched. And this is what income tax web portal as well as Infosys is. तो famous नहीं, बदनाम है. Then again, the new is so secured. This is something which most of the people would have received as a forward. It is so secured that one cannot even log in with their own user ID and password. uh, and one would say that, okay, we as a chartered accountant society are so simple in terms of our approach that even the revamp of the income tax website was like a festival to us. And in a festival, in a typical CA firm, what does everybody typically distributes? Some sweets, some chocolates, samosas, and jalebis. And if you are a Dadar or a Elphinstone based firm, then obviously you would also have a Kirti College Vada Pav. And the people were, if had it been that there was no lockdown, people would have celebrated it like the typical festival which we have in a CA firm. Setting this aside, if somebody asks me and about somebody thinks about it, what could have been the best approach to not have this sort of situation, because there is a significant impact on compliances, there is a significant impact on businesses as well. So the best thing would have been, rather than doing this switch on switch off mode, they could have had both the website on for a particular point of time, and once the new website is typically sorted, and then only they could have actually done this particular migration. Obviously the government of India would have thought about all this, but this is what I think could have been a better way. Having said that, the other thing could have been, at least government should issue some sort of clarification or circular on what the issue is and what to do when there is such a mismatch of compliances. Don't you think that communicating would have been better at this particular point of time? But I believe the government is so confused that they wouldn't have thought कि पुराने वेबसाइट पे कम्युनिकेट करूँ कि नए वेबसाइट पे कम्युनिकेट करूँ. So I think that something would have been there, but as of now, let us see how the things roll out. And once the new website is out, I would be happy to prepare a video on that with several functionalities. Hope you like this video. Though I was trying to be humorous, though I couldn't be, I believe. But do let me know if you have any comments on this particular video. Thank you, friends. Have a great day.